Your home's doors are more than just functional. They make a statement about your home's style, provide security, and contribute to energy efficiency. Over time, even the sturdiest doors can show signs of wear, making door replacement an essential upgrade for homeowners in Orangeburg. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, improve comfort, or boost your home's value, replacing outdated doors is a smart investment. Here's why door replacement in Orangeburg is worth every penny and how it can transform your home. Enhanced energy efficiency. Orangeburg's hot summers and humid climate can strain your home's energy systems, especially if your doors are outdated or poorly insulated. Modern replacement doors are designed to provide superior energy efficiency. Improved insulation. New doors often feature advanced materials and weather stripping to reduce air leaks and heat transfer. Lower energy bills. By keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, energy-efficient doors reduce the load on your HVAC system, resulting in significant energy savings. Eco-friendly living. Reduced energy consumption not only saves money but also lowers your home's carbon footprint. For homeowners in Orangeburg, energy-efficient doors are a must-have for maintaining indoor comfort and reducing utility costs. Improved security. A strong, durable door is your first line of defense against intruders. Old or damaged doors may have weakened frames, locks, or panels, compromising your home's safety. Advanced locking systems. Modern replacement doors often come with multi-point locking mechanisms for added security. Durable materials. Steel, fiberglass, and solid wood doors provide enhanced protection against forced entry. Storm-ready. In areas prone to occasional storms like Orangeburg, impact-resistant doors offer extra protection against flying debris. Replacing your door ensures your family and belongings are safe while giving you peace of mind. Boosted curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. Replacing a worn or outdated door with a stylish, modern design can instantly enhance your home's curb appeal. Variety of styles. Choose from a range of materials, finishes, and designs to match your home's architecture. Custom options. Add decorative glass, side lights, or unique hardware to create a personalized look. Instant refresh. A new door can make your home look well-maintained and inviting. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to make a great impression, a new door is a simple way to elevate your home's exterior. Increased home value. Home improvements that enhance functionality, security, and appearance often increase property value, and door replacement is no exception. ROI. Replacing your front door is one of the highest return home improvement projects, with a significant portion of the cost recouped at resale. Buyer appeal. Energy efficient, secure, and stylish doors are attractive features for potential buyers. Competitive edge. A beautiful, functional door can set your home apart in the Orangeburg real estate market. Investing in a new door is a smart way to add value to your home, both now and in the future. Reduced maintenance. Older doors often require frequent maintenance, such as painting, sanding, or sealing, to keep them functional and attractive. Modern replacement doors are designed for durability and low upkeep. Weather-resistant materials. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, cracking, and peeling, even in Orangeburg's humid conditions. Pre-finished options. Many doors come with factory-applied finishes that last for years without repainting. Long lifespan. With proper care, new doors can last for decades, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Replacing your door means less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying your home. Enhanced comfort. Drafty or poorly insulated doors can make your home less comfortable, especially during Orangeburg's hot summers or chilly winters. New doors with advanced sealing technology create a more stable indoor environment. Eliminate drafts. Weather stripping and tight seals prevent air leaks, ensuring consistent temperatures. Soundproofing. Modern doors provide better noise reduction, creating a quieter and more peaceful living space. With a replacement door, your home becomes a haven of comfort, regardless of the weather outside. Storm and weather protection. In Orangeburg, occasional storms and heavy rain are part of life. Modern doors are built to withstand harsh weather conditions, protecting your home from the elements. Waterproofing. Advanced materials and tight seals prevent water infiltration, reducing the risk of rot and damage. Impact resistance. Storm-rated doors provide added durability against high winds and flying debris. UV protection. Many doors feature coatings that resist fading and damage from the sun's rays. A weather-resistant door ensures your home stays safe and dry, even during Orangeburg's toughest storms. Customization for every need. Today's replacement doors come with endless customization options, allowing you to choose a design that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Glass panels. Add decorative glass inserts for a touch of elegance and extra natural light. Colors and finishes. Match or complement your home's color scheme with a variety of pre-finished or paintable options. Smart features. Some modern doors include smart technology, such as keyless entry or built-in sensors for added convenience. Tailor your new door to fit your unique needs and style. Conclusion. A smart investment for Orangeburg homeowners. Door replacement is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in your home's energy efficiency, security, comfort, and value. For homeowners in Orangeburg, where weather, style, and functionality are all key considerations, a new door offers benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Whether you're looking to reduce energy bills, protect your home from storms, or simply refresh its appearance, a high-quality replacement door is worth every penny. Work with a trusted local professional to find the perfect door for your home and enjoy the many advantages it brings for years to come.